Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Electrician, electricity, toolbag, screwdriver, hacksaw, electric, drill, strips, wires, installs, electrical, switches, circuit, breakers, outlet. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. George is an electrician. George provides electricity for buildings. George has a tool bag with hand tools. George uses a screwdriver. George cuts with a hacksaw. George uses an electric drill. George strips electrical wires. George installs electrical wires. George installs switches. George installs circuit breakers. George tests for power in an outlet. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.